Welcome everyone back again to another tutorial on this channel. This time the question is, why is my hotspot saying that it's connected but it doesn't work? It's like there's no connection in there on the iPhone. So you might be able to just make the connection happen, but then you perhaps don't have access to the internet. So at first, you want to make sure that your cellular data on the iPhone that you are sharing the Wi-Fi from is strong enough. So even without pairing anything and connecting other device, you want to ensure that you have the 5G enabled, that you have proper reception, like test out the connection on this device before sharing the internet to see if anything just changes or if it works properly. And if it does, and if the only issue is when you try to share the internet connection, then one possible option might be that your carrier might have a restricted hotspot usage. So this means that whenever you purchase a SIM card, the carrier might decide if you have the ability to share the internet through Wi-Fi hotspot or not. I mentioned that in like a couple of videos of mine that when I was like trying to purchase a SIM card for travel through a website like Holofly or even other ones, doesn't matter. There you get to choose the SIM card option, and there is like also the setting or like a little distinction there saying that you either have or don't have the ability to share Wi-Fi. So I'm just trying to point out that the carrier can easily decide for you. And if that's the case, you might need to check with them to see if they support it or not. But also it might just be like a glitch or whatever, so just restart the devices. I would also recommend you to just change the password, because if you change the password for the data connection, you have to retype it on the other device, which like resets the whole Wi-Fi connection. So I would recommend you to do that. And yeah, if it still doesn't work, it's likely going to be the carrier thing. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. I honestly hope that I could help you at least a little bit with this. So if you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you wish. But for more content, yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.